What's up, Dance Fitsugar? My name is Brooke. I'm a DanceBody trainer, and today I'm going to be leading you through a 10-minute hardcore workout. And when I say hardcore, that's exactly what I mean. This workout is all about engaging your core muscles to help you stand tall, feel strong, all while still getting a great sweat. So with that being said, let's get right into it. All right, we're going to start with those arms up, straight arms, twisting from the shoulders. Keep them down. Really reaching those abs, close it in. 4. Crunching those abs. Here we go, side to side. 4. Close it in. Circle those arms up. 3. Pull it, pull into that hip. Elbow towards that hip. Other side. Good, pull those elbows in. Crunch. Side to side. Really extend those abs. Again, pull it in. Jump it out, out in. Good, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Jump it out. 3, 2, 1. Again, roll it. There we go. Hold it and roll. 3. Other side. And roll it. 4. Working through those abs. Lunge it down. Point through the foot. Squeeze it up. 2. Engage that entire leg. Hold it here. We're going to pulse it up. 8, 7. Lift those abs to hold your balance. 4, 3, 2. Other side. Lunge it down. And squeeze. 2. Dancer abs are the best way to go, I promise. Nobody wants to do crunches. 4 more. 4, 3. Jump it out. 3, 2, 1, side to side. Jump it out. And roll. Working through those abs. 4. Other side. Roll it. Good, pull those arms in. Side to side. Again, and 4. It definitely helps if you smile, right ladies? Oh yeah. Jump it out. So I have my friends Alexa and Graciela here with me today. What's up, girls? Hey. Jump it out. And 3, 2, 1. Again. All right, that's it. All right, now we're gonna pick it up a little bit. We're gonna start here. Twist. 3, 2. Run it, single, single, double. Lean into it. Push it back. 4. Again, run it. Push it. Good, hold it here. 4, 3. Toe heel. Big twist in the abs. Pull it up. Kick it out. Up. Left twist. 4, 3. Pull it up. Again. Pull it up. And twist. Big twist in those hips. Here we go. Double heel. Heel, heel. Jump it out. 2. Little party. Single, single, double. That's right. 2 more. Again with the heel. Double time. 2. 2 more. Party, single, single. All right, here we go with the break. Elbow, knee, hold it here. 3, 2, here we go. Punch, twist, in. Get that hop in there. Knee up to the chest. 4 more. Big twist. 3, sharp. 2. Other side, and tap it. 6. 4 more. 4. You got it. 3, 2. All right, take a little breather here. Pull it, roll it through the abs. 4, 3. Other side, pull. And roll. Here we go with those jacks. Up. 4 more. 4, 3. We take that toe heel again. Here we go. Big twist. Toe heel. Pull it up. 4, 3, 2. Other side. Twist. Good. Big twist in those hips. Point through those feet again. Pull it. Other side. Double heel. Okay, this next one we're gonna have some fun with. It's fast, so buckle up for the ride. Pump it. 4, 3. Twist it, other side. Really get into those hips. Big twist from the abs. Pump it. 4. Run, run, pull. Run, run, crunch. Crunch. Single, single, double. Reach. Again, pull it in. Run, pull. Reach it out. 1 more. And reach. Good. Little salsa step side to side. Push it out. 4, 3. Again, salsa. Push it out. Shoulder push. 4, 3. Reach it. 4. Keep lifting those abs. Push those hips back and forth. 4. Circle. 4. Other side. And circle. All right, little shimmy break here. Here we go. Salsa. Push it out. 4. Again, salsa. Push it out. Shoulder push. And reach. Good. Poke it out here. Again, 4. All right, little hip break here. Here we go. Quick. High, low, 4. Have that chest pump. Other side. Pump. Salsa. Take it out for 4. Again. Push. Shoulder push. Reach. Two more. Last one. Now here we go. That's how you do it, you guys. All right, now we cool it down here. Start to bring those arms up. Take your breaths. We start one arm at a time. Leading with the elbow. Step it back, roll it through the abs. Other side, 4. Roll it back, 4. Good, lift those knees, up 4. Good, sit into the hip. Heel twist, 4, 3. Other side. Heel twist. Good, skip it out. 4, 3. Get those levels in there. Hold it here, high low with the hip. Isolating the hip here. Upper body is still. 4, 3, 2. Other side, high low. Good, from the top, arm. Good, breathe. Roll it back, 4, 3. Other side. And roll it. At DanceBody, we call these sexy abs. Good, 4, 3, 2. Hold it here, 4, 3, 2. Good, get into those heels again. Up. Heel twist. Good, take it to the other side, twist. And swing it up, 4, 3. Hip circles, high-low. 3, 2. Good, keep lifting those abs. Control everything. Control your movement. Good. Good. Really push that hip out. 4, 3. Rolling through those abs. Big rolls. Other side. And roll it back. Lift the heel. Heel twist. 4. Good. Really twisting from the torso. Twist. Swing it up. 4, 3, 2. This one's a little slower, so you have time to really make big movement here. Other side. And circle. 4, 3, 2, 1. And we're done. Woo! How are you guys feeling?
Feeling great.
That was fun. I feel like I would rather do standing abs than boring crunches, right?
Oh yeah.
All right, I want to thank my girls Alexa and Graciela for joining me for this DanceBody workout today. And thank you for joining me on Dance Fitsugar. I can't wait to do it with you guys again. See you next time. Woo!